Hey, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm out here with my Rode wireless, well, not wireless, my Rode shotgun boom microphone kit. And the reason it's a kit because it comes with this microphone and this stand and everything like that. I have a kind of like an initial impressions video of this kit right here. I'll leave it linked up here somewhere in a card so you can check that out if you like. And from that video, in listening to some of the sound in post from this microphone, I was very pleased with the sound. So I decided, you know, maybe I should come outside and see how it sounds outside. And there's a slight little breeze blowing out here. This mic does have a low cut filter on it and all that, 80 hertz or something. 80 hertz or something like that. Right now, the sound that you're hearing is from my Rode wireless microphone system. So without any further ado, let's see what this mic sounds like out here, outside. All right, now I have the Rode shotgun boom kit plugged into my Sony FX3. Yes, the Sony FX3, wonderful camera. But anyway, how does this mic sound? There's a slight breeze blowing, and as you can see right here, you can see the mic right here. It's just out of the shot right here, and this camera right here is right above my head right now where I'm talking at. How does it sound? Does it sound clear? And this mic does have a low pass filter on it. Two selections. You have flat and also you have 80 hertz. So there are two selectors on it and there is off on it. But tell me, how does the mic sound? As you can see in the back and the rear of me, tell me how the mic sounds. How does it sound? How does it sound? Does it sound clear? And there's a slight little breeze now and then blowing out here. And I'm right above the mic. The mic is about, it's probably a foot away from me. Let me bring it down a little bit. So, yeah, about right there. You can see it right there. But, you know, how does it sound? How does it sound? And all of this audio is it's unedited, straight from the mic and the camera. This is unedited audio. How does it sound? And I'm outside. I will leave a link in the description if you want to pick this mic up, this kit. If you want to pick this whole kit up right here, it comes with the Rode mic, and it comes with a stand, a very adjustable stand, and a very lengthy amount of 3.5 meter or millimeter length cable. How does it sound? I'm going to go ahead and switch it over to, right now it's on the flat setting on the mic. I'm going to go ahead and switch it over to the 80 hertz. That's a low pass filter. I'm not even going to edit that part out. I'm just going to drop this down mic and make that selection switch on here. I'm going to put that on 80 hertz and put it back right about right there. Okay, I've switched it over to 80 hertz from the flat setting. How does that sound? How does it sound? If you're new to my channel and you like videos like this, reviews, vlogs, subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And this mic I'll leave a link in the description if you want to pick it up. And it's best to listen to these type of videos, you know, from a sound point of view, some good desktop speakers or some good headphones, so you can really appreciate, you know, the sound. But how does it sound? Now I'm going to switch it back over to flat setting. I'm not going to edit this part off. I'm just going to drop this down. There's like a little thing right here where you can adjust this and move this up and down right here, right there. Really nice. But I'm gonna switch this back on over to the flat setting. And it's just right out of, the mic is just right out of frame, so it's about just above right here. How does it sound? How does the mic sound? How does it sound? How does it sound? And again, recap of the video, I'm testing out my Rode wired boom microphone system outside to see how it performs outside. How does it sound? Well, I'm not going to make this video any longer. If you're new here and you like videos like this, consider subscribing. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And until the next video, peace out, y'all.